Welcome to the fascinating realm of woodworking, where creativity meets craftsmanship. Whether you are a seasoned artisan or a curious beginner, woodworking offers a unique opportunity to transform raw materials into beautiful, functional pieces. This age-old craft not only allows you to express your artistic vision, but also encourages you to connect with nature by using sustainable materials. As you embark on this journey, you'll discover the joy of creating items that tell a story, add warmth to your home, and even serve your community. Woodworking is more than just a hobby. It's a way to cultivate patience, precision, and pride in your work. In today's world, where sustainability and eco-consciousness are becoming increasingly important, woodworking stands out as a meaningful pursuit. By choosing to work with responsibly sourced materials and embracing upcycling practices, you can contribute positively to the environment while honing your skills. This guide aims to inspire you with project ideas that are not only charming, but also versatile enough to suit various skill levels and market demands. Whether you dream of starting a woodworking business, crafting gifts for loved ones, or simply enjoying a rewarding pastime, you'll find endless possibilities in this craft. So, grab your tools and let's delve into the wonderful world of woodworking together. As you dive deeper into our woodworking journey, we want to remind you to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates and project ideas that will inspire your creativity. By hitting that subscribe button, you ensure that you never miss out on our informative tutorials, tips, and tricks designed to enhance your woodworking skills, regardless of your experience level. If you find value in what we share, please take a moment to like our videos and share them with friends and fellow woodworking enthusiasts. Your support not only motivates us to create more content, but also helps build a community of passionate crafters who can learn and grow together. We encourage you to stay tuned until the end of the video, where we often share exclusive insights, additional resources, or special announcements that you won't want to miss. Engaging with our content helps us understand what resonates with you, allowing us to tailor future videos to better meet your interests and needs. So, grab your tools, settle in, and let's embark on this exciting woodworking adventure together. Your next great project is just around the corner. Establishing a woodworking workshop in your community can be a transformative experience for both you and the participants. Imagine a space filled with the sound of saws and laughter, where individuals of all ages gather to learn the art of woodworking. You can offer classes that cater to various skill levels, from complete novices to those looking to refine their techniques. By incorporating sustainable practices, such as using reclaimed wood or eco-friendly finishes, you can create awareness about environmental responsibility while fostering a sense of community. These workshops not only teach valuable skills, but also cultivate friendships and a shared passion for craftsmanship, making woodworking accessible to everyone. In today's market, there is a growing demand for sustainable furniture that aligns with eco-conscious values. By creating a line of eco-friendly furniture, you can tap into this lucrative market while promoting responsible consumption. Use only sustainably sourced materials, emphasizing the importance of durability and longevity in your designs. This approach not only reduces waste, but also appeals to consumers who are increasingly seeking products that minimize their environmental impact. Highlighting the craftsmanship and care that goes into each piece can further attract customers who appreciate quality and sustainability, making your furniture a desirable choice for both homes and businesses. The movement toward upcycling has opened new avenues for creativity and sustainability in woodworking. By transforming old furniture or wooden pallets into new, functional pieces, you can create unique products while minimizing waste. This approach not only supports environmental efforts, but also appeals to consumers looking for one-of-a-kind items with character. Establishing a brand around upcycled crafts allows you to tell a story with each piece, connecting with customers on a personal level. Sharing your process on social media can inspire others to embrace upcycling, further expanding your reach and impact in the market. Online woodworking courses. The demand for online learning has surged, and creating woodworking courses can provide a valuable resource for aspiring woodworkers. By developing comprehensive lessons that cover various techniques and projects, you can cater to individuals looking to enhance their skills from the comfort of their homes. Emphasizing sustainable practices within your curriculum can attract eco-conscious learners and position you as an expert in the field. Offering different levels of courses, from beginner to advanced, can create a steady stream of income while providing ongoing support to your students as they progress in their woodworking journey. Collaborations with local artists. Partnering with local artists to create unique wooden art pieces can be an exciting venture that broadens your market reach. By combining woodworking with other forms of art, such as painting or sculpture, you can produce distinctive pieces that appeal to a diverse audience. This collaboration not only supports local talent, but also fosters a sense of community and creativity. Hosting joint exhibitions or workshops can further enhance visibility and attract potential buyers. By showcasing the intersection of craftsmanship and artistic expression, you can carve out a niche in the woodworking market that sets you apart from competitors. Seasonal crafts and decor. Developing seasonal woodworking projects allows you to tap into the cyclical nature of consumer demand. By creating holiday decorations or themed garden ornaments, you can attract customers looking for unique ways to celebrate different times of the year. This approach not only keeps your product offerings fresh and exciting, but also encourages repeat business as customers return for new items each season. Hosting workshops or online tutorials on how to make these seasonal crafts can further engage your audience and establish your brand as a go-to source for festive woodworking projects. Freelance woodworking services. Offering your woodworking skills as a freelance service can open up numerous opportunities in your local community. Whether it's custom furniture, renovations, or repairs, providing quality services allows you to build a reputation based on craftsmanship and reliability. Networking with local businesses and homeowners can help you secure contracts and referrals, creating a steady stream of income. By showcasing your portfolio online and actively engaging with potential clients, you can establish yourself as a trusted expert in woodworking, expanding your business through word-of-mouth recommendations. Woodworking for community spaces. Collaborating with local schools or community centers to create wooden furniture or play structures can be a meaningful way to give back while showcasing your skills. These projects not only enhance community spaces, but also inspire others to appreciate the value of woodworking. By involving community members in the building process, you can foster a sense of ownership and pride in the finished products. This approach not only benefits your business by increasing visibility and goodwill, but also strengthens community ties and promotes the importance of craftsmanship in everyday life. Eco-friendly packaging solutions. With the growing concern over plastic waste, creating wooden packaging solutions for small businesses can be a lucrative niche. By offering sustainable alternatives, you can help companies reduce their environmental impact while providing unique and attractive packaging options. This service not only meets a market demand, but also positions you as a leader in sustainable practices within the woodworking industry. Collaborating with local businesses to develop customized packaging can create long-term partnerships and expand your reach, allowing you to tap into new customer bases eager for eco-friendly solutions. Subscription boxes. Launching a subscription box service that delivers unique wooden crafts or DIY kits monthly can create a steady stream of income while keeping customers engaged. By curating themed boxes that highlight different aspects of woodworking, you can appeal to a wide range of interests and skill levels. This model allows customers to discover new projects and techniques regularly, fostering a sense of excitement and anticipation. Emphasizing sustainability in the materials used for the boxes can further attract eco-conscious consumers, positioning your brand as a leader in the woodworking subscription market. Marketing to eco-conscious consumers. With an increasing number of consumers prioritizing sustainability, Tailoring your marketing efforts to eco-conscious individuals can significantly enhance your business's visibility. By showcasing your commitment to using sustainable practices and materials, you can create a strong brand identity that resonates with environmentally aware customers. Utilizing social media platforms to share your woodworking journey, including behind-the-scenes looks at your processes, can build a loyal following. Engaging with your audience through educational content about the benefits of sustainable woodworking can further establish your expertise and credibility in the market. Collaborative workshops with local businesses. Partnering with local cafes or shops to host woodworking workshops can create exciting community events that benefit both businesses. By offering hands-on experiences, you can attract customers looking for unique activities while also promoting your woodworking skills. These collaborations can enhance visibility for all involved and foster a sense of community engagement. Additionally, creating special promotions or packages that encourage participants to visit both businesses can drive traffic and build lasting relationships with customers. Promoting a sustainable lifestyle. Building a brand that emphasizes a sustainable lifestyle through woodworking can create a strong connection with consumers looking to make eco-friendly choices. By sharing tips and ideas on how to incorporate sustainable practices into daily life, you position yourself as a knowledgeable resource in the intersection of woodworking and environmental responsibility. This approach not only enhances your brand's reputation, but also engages consumers who are passionate about sustainability. Through workshops, online content, and social media engagement, you can inspire others to embrace eco-conscious living, creating a community that values craftsmanship and sustainability. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you found it inspiring and informative, sparking your creativity in the world of woodworking. Your support means the world to us, so if you enjoyed the content, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all our latest projects, tips, and tutorials, helping you enhance your woodworking skills. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends or fellow enthusiasts who might also enjoy diving into the craft. Together, we can build a vibrant community of woodworkers eager to learn and create. We appreciate your engagement, and we can't wait to see you in our next video. Let's keep crafting amazing things together.